Sasha? Wake up. You can do this. I know you can. Open your eyes.
This is the Atlantic Union's lunar base. Oh, don't worry. The body you're in belongs to the officer keeping you in custody. You're practically invisible. Just act normal and you won't attract unwanted attention. I should probably introduce myself. I'm an undercover operative here at this base. You can just call me Beta. After the Strelka N3 incident, the Atlantic Union captured and subjected you to an experimental procedure. A neural simulation created to extract information from deep within your mind. One more day in there and we'd have lost you. Lucky for you, the Cosmo Bureau entrusted me to help you escape. Just follow my instructions and we'll get you out of here in no time. Okay, first things first, you gotta dress the part. You're gonna need a vac suit to make it to the ship docked just outside. Use them to open the sliding doors in front of you. Perfect. I'm trying to open the airlock from here, but the power's out. You'll need a fuse to fix it. Search the workspace on the lower deck. The engineers always leave spares lying around. You're probably still feeling a bit disoriented from the neural transfer. This might help jog your memory. All these items were recovered from Strelka N3 after the incident. They were used to recreate the simulation you were subjected to. Your suit features a built-in scanning tool. Press the face buttons on the left side to cycle between your different tools. You can get additional information about objects that you scan. Try it out. This'll help to refresh your memories and settle your mind. Irina Serova, Strelka N3's resident biologist. She was killed shortly before the incident took place. Irina and Stas were romantically involved. Sasha, see if you can find out where it's coming from. A long-range transmission terminal. Looks like it's picking up an incoming signal. How is that even possible? Use the right gripper to detach the interface tool on the left side. Once detached, connect it to the terminal's access port.
It's him.
Sasha, you're talking.
Stas. It's Stas.
Stas Volkov, your teammate from N3, your friend? That's not possible. He was presumed dead.
He is not. It's a distress signal. His ID is encoded in the message.
That's great news. Okay, let's locate that signal.
Tusca Station?
Tusca Station. We can reach it from here, but the clock is ticking. You have to hurry.
Wait, me? Shouldn't the Cosmo Bureau be handling this?
No, they'd never make it in time. You know him better than anyone else, so you're our best shot. I'm uploading the coordinates to the shuttle's navigation system. It'll be ready when you are. Alright, there's just some stuff I need to take care of before I get out of here. I'll contact you just as soon as you've entered orbit.
Understood, Beta. And thanks for getting me out of here.
Hey, just another day on the job, right? Safe travels, Sasha.
Flight plan loaded. Optimal route calculation completed. Initiating startup sequence. Engine parameters green. Systems nominal. All checks completed. Liftoff in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Sasha? Do you read? I see you're approaching Tusca Station.
Looks that way. What can you tell me about the place?
It's a classified scientific research facility orbiting Saturn.
Okay, but why would Stas go there?
Well, according to his file, before being transferred to Strelka N3, Stas was first stationed at Tusca. It's where he and Irina both met. He supervised base operations and assisted with Project Lazarus.
Project Lazarus?
It was Irina's project. It's the main reason the place was built. I'd love to tell you more about it, but I'm not authorized to access that data. Don't worry about it. We'll find some answers soon enough.
Proximity alert. Approaching destination. Initiating deceleration sequence. Thrusters ready. Main drive ready. Inertial dampeners ready. All checks completed.
Here we go.
You nervous?
I've never done this before.
Don't worry. It's all automated. Just enjoy the ride.
Hailing docking beacon. Link established. Calculating approach vectors. Path verified. Initiating docking maneuver.
See? Told you it'd be a piece of cake.
That's gotta be Stas' shuttle.
It is, yes. The ship is still broadcasting the distress signal.
Empty. Main power is out and systems are damaged beyond repair. This thing hasn't flown in a while.
Huh. That checks out with the transmission delay.